Hi guys, welcome back with me. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay guys, I wanna read some article in investing.com by Kevary Smith. ADP survey. Eurozone inflation, oil falls again. Here's what moved markets. Payroll data. Preferred ADP present its first report on private sector hiring following a methodology change. Eurozone inflation hit a new record when Russia stopped tap gas export via Nord Stream. Snap is reportedly planning massive layoffs, and the earnings of HP and Best Buy signal a bleak picture for consumer electronics. China manufacturing sector is still contracting, and oil prices fell after rising supplies and reports of a deal to restore Iranian export. Here's what you need to know in financial market on Wednesday, August 31. 1. ADP payroll is big. The ADP private payroll survey returned after several months of hiatus as it attempts to address some of the methodological contractions that have plagued the system used as a follow-up guide to labor market reports. The market may not want to trade much with the first figure under the new methodology, but consensus estimates suggest a relatively modest 300,000 rise in non-farm payrolls on Friday already presenting an upside surprise. Thursday monthly job opening survey showed passengers were still widely favorable, while jobless claims out Thursday also remained lower than many had expected a month or two ago. Speeches from Federal Reserve President Loretta Mester, Lori Logan, and Raphael Bostic will also be on the economic calendar. 2. European inflation hit a new record as Russia turns off gas taps. Eurozone inflation rose to a new record level of 9.1% in August, again exceeding expectations this year. The figures add to pressure for the European Central Bank (ECB) to present a major rate hike at its meeting next week. Germany Central Bank Chief Joachim Nagel called in his speech for a decisive reaction from the ECB to halt more and threatened inflation expectation. However, the central bank office chief economist Philip Lane said on Tuesday he favored a more gradual series of small steps. The euro was unable to hold above $1,000, down 0.2% at 1.99. The move comes after Russia confirmed its intention to stop gas supply via the Nord Stream pipeline for 3 days of maintenance. Analysis for longer shutdown and political troubles will add to economic pressure on the continent of Russia's struggles with its not problems on the battlefield in southern Ukraine. 3. Stock will often diversify. Snapcrop job is in focus. U.S. stock will open mixed later, seeking to snap a 3-day losing streak sparked by fears of high interest rates. Stock likely to be in focus later are Snap, which is reportedly planning massive layoffs, and HP, which is down more than 6 in the pre-market after delivering disappointing project for the computer sector. Okay guys, maybe that's all from me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you.